we shall discuss a new video that is very important for you to know much more about your geography subject. This chapter will help you in coming time to know much more about the forests in India. Different types of forests are located in India. Different types of wildlife also found in these forests. Forests are very much useful for the human's life, not only to fulfill a single or double or some particular requirement, but also it fulfills a lot of requirement of the human beings, which is very essential in our life. Let's see the importance of forests. What are they? How are they? What types of things we can collect from the forest? See, according to the Forest Survey of India, India had 21.54% of its total geographical area under forest cover in 2017. As per this report, Madhya Pradesh has the largest area under forest cover, followed by Arunachal Pradesh, Chhattisgarh, Odisha, and Maharashtra. Time to time, the Forest Survey of India, that is the department of the Indian government, which conduct the survey time to time. So, according to its survey in 2017, India had 21.54% of its total geographical area under forest cover. फॉरेस्ट में 21.54% अकेले ये जो है एरिया आती है इंडिया में. So you can imagine how much important the forests are. Report we have got from the Survey of India, Madhya Pradesh is rich in forest areas. Largest area under forest cover as followed by Arunachal Pradesh, Chhattisgarh, Odisha and Maharashtra. Loss of forest cover. Over the years, however, forest cover has been declining in several parts of India and around the world. बहुत सालों बाद जैसा कि फॉरेस्ट जो है धीरे धीरे डिक्लाइन होने लगा, बहुत सारे भारत के पार्ट्स में इट्स एग्जिस्टेंस is going to fall in danger, and not only India but in rest part of the world also. While natural factors like tsunamis, cyclones and wildfires cause some of this loss. To lose the forest, there are some natural causes also which affected the richness of the forest, like tsunami, cyclones, wildfires. Time to time, these types of natural disasters occur in the world. As a result, forests are getting affected very much. A large part of it is a result of human activities. So, natural calamity or natural disaster, it happens according to its own, but for that, for loss of forest, mainly the human activities are responsible. Day by day, human cut the trees, destroy the forest, and clear the forest at large scale for different types of settlement. So these are the causes. That's why we get excess pollution and natural disaster time to time we have to face, such as deforestation for land, agriculture and timber, expansion of urban areas and pollution. For all such types of activities, the forests are clear through the human activities. Loss of forest cover is associated with many problems such as increase in greenhouse gases in the atmosphere, destruction of habitats and ecosystems, soil erosion and landslides. These are the disasters which occur time to time in the country. The roots of trees help seepage of rainwater into the ground. Thus, deforestation also leads to flooding as there is nothing left to hold the water. जो रूट्स होते हैं ट्रीज के, ये क्या करते हैं, रेन वाटर को सीपेज करने में हेल्प करते हैं जो ज़मीन के अंदर तक जाता है. मतलब दे कंट्रोल द water wastage. Also they help to means the trees help to go the rainwater into the ground. Thus deforestation also leads to flooding as there is nothing left to hold the water. इस तरह से जो डिफॉरेस्टेशन है ये फ्लडिंग को लीड करता है, फ्लड आने में जो है ये मदद करता है, क्योंकि फ्लड को रोकने के लिए कोई भी चीज़ वहाँ पर बैरियर का काम नहीं करती है. नदियों के किनारे, लेक्स के किनारे या जो भी लैंड्स है उसके पास में. अब हम देखते हैं वाइल्ड लाइफ. व्हाट इज़ वाइल्ड लाइफ? Wildlife also plays a vital role for the human existence. Wildlife and forest both are dependent to each other. Means wherever wildlife, there is forest, and where is forest, there is wildlife. So the importance of wildlife is here. Wildlife refers to the undomesticated animals of a region, mammals, birds, reptiles, amphibians, fish and insects. Importance of wildlife. Wildlife too plays a role in the balance of the ecosystem. Each species interacts with its environment in different ways. All organisms in an ecosystem are dependent on each other. The extinction or proliferation of one species can have far-reaching effects on its ecosystem. वाइल्ड लाइफ बहुत बड़ा नेचर को बैलेंस करने में, इकोसिस्टम को बैलेंस करने में, ह्यूमन लाइफ को बैलेंस करने में बहुत ही बड़ा इसका रोल होता है. जितने भी स्पेसीज हैं वो इस इन्वायरमेंट से इंटरेक्ट होते हैं अपने अपने अलग अलग वेज में. सो मेनी वेज आर देयर, डिफरेंट टाइप्स ऑफ स्पेसीज एंड इंसेक्ट्स आर देयर. different types of wildlife varieties are there, so they interact with the environment according to their differences. All organisms in an ecosystem are dependent on each other. The extinction or proliferation of one species can have far-reaching effects on its ecosystem. For example, spiders are a major predator in the environment and control the population of insects like flies and agricultural pests. Insects are the source of important products like honey, wax, dye, and silk. In addition to pollinating flowers, insects also act as decomposers and help in creating the nutrient rich topsoil. Next, that is the birds. Birds feed on worms and by doing so protect crops from pests. Vultures and crows act as scavengers by feeding on the dead. Birds also help in the pollination of plants. Wildlife help promote tourism and generate income for countries. Next, that is the depletion and degradation of wildlife is a major problem throughout the world. The wildlife are hunted at large scale in the world, so there is a danger before their life, and it is responsibility of all the citizens and government as well to protect the existence and life of the wildlife. Otherwise, if they will lose their existence, human existence will also fall in danger. So must some steps should be taken by the government. Also, the people should bear their responsibility to protect them and to increase their number. Certain natural and human-made factors are responsible for this. क्या क्या है? Loss of natural habitat. Natural habitat जो है उसका खात्मा हो रहा है. Changes in climatic conditions and human activities such as overgrazing, urban expansion, agriculture, mining, and constructional activities and deforestation have led to the destruction of the natural habitats of animals, causing them to migrate elsewhere. Next, that is excessive hunting and poaching. Animals like the tiger, lion, elephant, rhinoceros, black buck, crocodile, ostrich, and peacocks are poached for their hides, skins, tusks, horns, and feathers. As a result, several species have become endangered and many others have even become extinct. As a result, by hunting and poaching, many of the wildlife have gone to lose their existence. It is our responsibility to save their life, to maintain the ecosystem and the human existence. Thank you.